Hello, my name is Muna, and I'm a native English speaker from the United States. I'm an English teacher, tutor, mom, and I love helping children of all ages learn English in a fun, encouraging, and engaging way. Hey kids, do you see what's behind me? Yes, they're books. I love reading. Do you love reading? That's great because we're going to read, learn new words, and have fun with English together. For the parents watching, I have several years of experience teaching children and adult learners of all ages, both inside and outside of the classroom. I create lessons that are structured, engaging, and age appropriate, helping children feel confident and excited to learn. In my lessons, we don't just sit and talk. We use stories, conversation, games, and fun activities to help you learn English clearly and confidently. And don't worry, mistakes are welcome here. That's how we learn. Your kids will learn how to speak English with confidence, improve pronunciation and listening, read and understand English better, and use new words in fun conversations. If you're looking for a patient, caring, trustworthy, and engaging English teacher or tutor for your child, I would love to help. Let's grow your child's confidence and English skills one fun lesson at a time. I can't wait to meet you. Thank you so much. Bye bye.